The next piece of functionality we will look at is the event bus of Vert.x. And the event bus claims to be the nervous system of Vert.x. And it basically gives you pub/sub type semantics, or the ability to send a message, have consumers somewhere else, and that trigger pieces of logic in different parts of your application. And why the event bus helps will make more sense as we go throughout the video. But long story short is, sometimes you might not have access to where you want the code to be triggered. So you might want to run a particular piece of function, but there's just no way for you to actually trigger that function. You don't have an object. It's not static, so you can't just reach into the class and do it. So in those situations, event bus comes very handy, because you can just assign a handler on a topic on one side of the application and then just send messages to that topic from the other parts of the application. You don't actually need a reference to that part of the application to trigger the piece of logic. It's probably very confusing right now if you're just starting out, but it makes more sense the more you do it. So let me just show you what the event bus looks like. So as part of the Vert.x object, you get this thing called the event bus, and you can assign consumers that on a given topic. So whenever a message is sent to this topic input, it will run this handler. It will run this piece of code. I can just say hello ape.body, and body is whatever the input was set. And then I can use the event bus from anywhere else in my application, and then just send a message to this topic. And everywhere that we have this event bus registering this consumer on the same topic, it will run this function. So we don't really need a reference to that part of the code, as long as that part of the code registered a topic as a consumer. So we can see here, hello ABC. Now, what if we had two? What happens if we do it this way? So this could be in one part of the application, this could be in a second different part, and then we're just sending this input. So if we run this, we'll see that because it's a send, only one of them will receive it. Not both of them. If you want every consumer to receive it, you want pub/sub functionality, so like publish and subscribe. So Vert.x Eventbus provides you with a publish function, so that when you call publish, every handler that was registered on the same topic will get triggered. So this message will be sent to everyone. But if I do a send, then only one of them will get it. And that's how kind of the event bus works. Something to keep in mind is that the event bus is a fire and forget mechanism. So if you send a message and it fails, there's no retry, there's no persistent, that message is just gone forever. So if you want some kind of extreme resiliency, you may need to implement additional logic on top of what the event bus gives you.